We are committed to offer our consumers exceptional cooling comfort during the hot summer and superior water heating comfort during those cold winter months. Our air conditioning and water heating solutions are energy efficient, which means they are not too heavy on your monthly expense. And we ensure that our products are durable and need lesser maintenance so that you are stress-free. Rheem is a global American brand known for its quality and innovation in air conditioning and water heaters. In fact, Rheem is nearly 100 years old. Air conditioners and water heaters. Bring home the American quality you deserve. Bring home a Rheem today.